Welcome to Unit 0 of Psyphysics. Today's unit is going to be about graphing. And so I'm going to demonstrate what all the axes represent. There's going to be x-axis, which is horizontal, y-axis, which is vertical, and z-axis, which is towards or away from you. And so the first axis is the y-axis. This is the present. And so anything which interacts on the present is going to affect the y-axis. The second axis we are going to talk about is the x-axis. And the x-axis represents the future. And so anything which affects the future will affect the x-axis. And the third axis is the z-axis. This one goes toward or away from you, and it represents the past. So essentially, the past is going to be a bunch of frozen panes. So a specific x and y coordinate which gets locked in forever and can never be changed again because the past cannot be changed. And at the present moment, you're going to have an x and y coordinate. And then as you go into the future, it's going to be like the past which has not happened yet. And so those are the three axes. And the next thing is, let's talk about what magnitude means. So magnitude is based off the subjective good or bad. And what this means is, if you interpret something as good or you think something's good, it's going to have a higher magnitude. And if you think something is bad, it's going to be negative. And so the very middle point represents a subjective nothing, whereas you do not care at all. And so just to recap, x-axis is future, y-axis is present, z-axis is past. Magnitude is based off what you think is good or bad, and that's how we're going to read the graphs in the future. Thanks for watching, and this was Unit 0 of Psyphysics.